Hello, I'm Kevin with OGO, and today we're going to go over the OGO drain kit. People don't want to use the yard bottle, rather they drain out and exteriorly. So if you have like a tiny house, you might want to drain out the back, or if you have an RV, you might want to go directly to the black tank, which we have some extra stuff coming up to show how you can do that pretty easily. But the drain kit itself comes with 3 primary components. This kind of is the coupling funnel that the spout will come into, and then it'll go through a pipe and go down to a flange that gets around it. So we'll go through how to install. Then this, you're ready. And you remove the drawer and bottles, set that aside. And then just remove the solids bin. Set that aside. So there's this recessed cut here that is meant for this RV flange. So it's a little tricky to cut with a knife, or you could use a full saw. But if you wanted to cut it out with a knife, you could by laying it on side. I'm going to take this extra plate off the throat. And then I'm coming on the inside so I can see where I'm cutting. Yep. So you're trying not. So that piece is there. And I guess for the upside down here, you can see that this will go through this tube. So I might have to fill it out. I have to get clean. Holy cow. Maybe we could rethink our lives. Oh. Alright. I have some of that excess cut back, and we have the flange at how it should be. It's a little tight, which is good. You don't want it too loose to it all around. But I'm going to flip everything back up right and then install. Okay. So putting this cone insert back over top and pushing this down, you'll see there is a smaller edge and a wider edge. If you put the smaller edge to the back, then this drawer can make sure that it has plenty of room for the back of the drawer. So smaller edge is to the back, it's sitting inside, and I'm going to go ahead and fasten it down, the screws it comes with. The flange piece is fastened in. You may or may not want to glue it in. It should have good funnel through, but some people want to make sure and have good security, so they go ahead and glue it in. Benefit of gluing it in is obviously security, but if you glue maybe the top piece and not the bottom, then you can always pull this out so you can easily pull this drawer out in the future. But this pops in here just like this. Press it all the way down, real snug, and that funnel from the bowl falls right on top, and it comes all the way through. So as I said, you could have out to show how you can have the drawer in. So you have the drawer check and tip back, and then this can come over the top. With the drain kit installed, it might have a slight variance of height. You may want to remove one of these washer seals here. That way you have that come down and a good line there so the bolt all sits all the way down. It does come with a small stud piece as well. This stud is so that you have some sort of access underneath. I think it's 3/4 inch PVC pipe. So when you come from underneath, then you can plumb it however you want. Some people do a flexible hose, some people hard pipe it to wherever they're going to plumb. That's the drain kit.